So this past week was a volatile week in markets. The week before, we had volatility in the precious metals. This week, it was in the major indexes. Looking at the S&P 500, we briefly broke below the 100-day moving average. However, we did have a monster rally on Friday, and that took us right back above the 50-day moving average, which many market participants perceive to be indicative of an ongoing uptrend. However, zooming out, when I look at this, it seems really obvious that we've gone nowhere for months and continue to lose momentum, so it does not look good to me. So today, let's talk about three things. First off, we have to talk about the labor market, where it seems like we're getting worse labor market data, and that's suggestive of more cuts than what's currently priced into the market. Secondly, let's talk a little bit about the carnage in the stock market. It seems to be largely driven by tech, in part due to Amazon earnings, in part due to a new AI model from Anthropic that is challenging the business models of software as a service companies. And lastly, we have to talk a little bit about crypto. We had tremendous volatility in Bitcoin, down to 60,000, but of course rebounded by $10,000 on Friday. It seems like we may be heading into a crypto winter.